How to make a matrix body bit? First, measure the diameter of the mold. Then pour the sand into the mold and shake it to a flat surface. Roll the surface flat again with a roller. Use tools to polish the surface of the mold and remove the excess sand. Brush the solution on the inside of the container with a brush. This solution can keep the bit crown shining. Then put the mold into the container. And the materials. Dip the TSP with glue and put it into the mold. Pour the tungsten powder into the container and press it hard. Then pour the adhesive into the container. Put the mold into the high-temperature sintering furnace for high-temperature sintering. Cool the newly sintered drill bit with cold water and make threads through the machine at the same time. High-temperature sintering is carried out again to fix the bit body and thread connection. Workers need to observe the heating nearby. Cool down again and adjust the position and distance of the drill body. Drill water holes with the machine. Drill a relative number of water holes according to the requirements of the drill bit. Then welding the PDC cutters. Finally, the matrix body bit is